Welcome to Dell Technologies PowerProtect Data Manager version 19.x How-To series. How to restore a set of archive logs using log sequence numbers from PowerProtect Data Manager user interface. Reference Dell Knowledge Base article number 202631. This video was created to demonstrate how to restore a set of Oracle archive logs using PowerProtect Data Manager user interface. General steps that will be accomplished. 1. Log into PowerProtect Data Manager user interface. 2. Select the database that contain the archive logs that need to be restored, and 3. Restore the archive logs. This operation should be performed every time there is a need to restore archive logs. Before you begin, have PowerProtect Data Manager user interface admin credentials. Have the archive log start and end log sequence numbers that need to be restored available. Log into PowerProtect Data Manager user interface. Click on Restore. Click on Assets. Click on the Oracle tab. Select the database that needs the archive logs restored. Click on Restore. Click on Online Database Recovery. Click on Archive Log Only Restore. And click Next. Select from the drop-down menu the storage unit that contains the backup. Click Next. Select Restore to Original Host and click Next. Select option Use the credential set at asset level or policy level for restore, and click Next. Click on Log Sequence. Enter the values of log sequence number, start and end. Log sequence number values should be determined with the help of an Oracle DBA. Click Next. Select Enable Debug Log. Click on Next. Review the choices made in the summary page and click Restore. Click on View Details. Click on the Restore Job ID. Monitor the job until completion. The job has completed successfully. It should be possible to restore Oracle archive logs using PowerProtect Data Manager user interface after completing this video. Reference the following for more information: KB 202631. Thank you for watching.